discuss our Sprint 1 retro during Sprint 1. Our focus was on laying the foundation for the Deakin University website redesign project. Let's get it started. Uh, as we can see in here, we noted some major tasks like in this Trello board, we had allocated each team member with a task. Each team member has been labeled with different colors like UI designer green, front end developer orange, and team leader, that is me, is purple. So the overview of activities, that is team leader Manjinder me has set up the project and added fellow collaborators Maz Ahmed Khan Mohammed and Salman Said to the team, and UI designer Maz has designed the user interface of the website, and front end developer Salman has built the front end of the website, which includes the layout, styling, and interactive elements. So that's it from my side. Next, thanks from my side. So I would like Maz to explain further.
Hi, good evening. So what we have done is we in the UI design we utilized various tools, resources such as Microsoft Teams for real-time communication, Trello for task management, and GitHub for version control and collaboration. Microsoft Teams served as a primary communication platform for us, and we have done meetings. And for the informal communication, we have used WhatsApp. Features such as instant messaging, video conference, and file sharing allowed us communicate effectively and stay connected regardless of our physical location. We used Trello, which served as central hub for task management and project tracking, providing visual representation of our workflow and progress. We've organized our tasks into Trello lists and cards, allowing for a easy prioritization assignment and tracking of individual and team tasks. So, and for the GitHub played a crucial role in version control and code collaboration, providing a centralized repository for storing, managing, and reviewing code. With GitHub's branching and merging capabilities, we could work on code simultaneously without fear of conflicts of data. In additional to the core tools mentioned above, we leverage supplementary resources such as Google Drive and document sharing with collaboration and WhatsApp for informal communication. Thanks from my side. I would like Manchindar to explain further.
Uh, yep, thanks, Mas. So, next I'll be covering the user stories and features. So, we identified several key user stories such as improving homepage navigation and designing a visually appealing homepage. And the user stories are all the to do activities which we identified at the beginning of the task. Let's dive deeper into identifying user stories and introducing the features extracted from each of them related to Sprint 1. So our first step in the sprint one was to understand the requirement for the task and features which are required along with the user stories that are required. Based on the research, we noted down various stories as mentioned in here in Trello board. Once we had a clear understanding, we translated it to the user stories, which are concise actionable statements that describe specific user goal requirement. So for each identified user story, we have allocated each feature to it. We have further categorized user stories as per the roles to the team members, like I told above. And thanks for my side. So I would like Salman to explain further.
Uh, Thanks, Manjinder. Hi, everyone. I will be covering the sprint planning on Trello. So, on our Trello board, we divided tasks and roles efficiently. Each team member was assigned specific features and tasks, ensuring a balanced workload. As mentioned by Manjinder also, green, that is a UI designer, Mars, and the orange, front-end developer, that's me, and the purple, team leader, as mentioned as Manjinder. So let's provide a more detailed explanation of the sprint planning process on Trello, including the task allocation and roles, as well as how features were distributed among the team members for sprint one. So, as we had started, we began by creating a Trello board specifically dedicated to our project, title name as SIT223. So, in that, the board was divided into lists representing different stages of our workflow, including to do or and in progress and done so. So, each list consists cards representing individual tasks for user stories. We conducted a through breakout for user stories and features identified during to the process. And according to that, roles within the team were clearly defined to ensure smooth coordination and accountability. The screenshot provided a visual representation for our sprint planning process, showing the tasks and assignments for Spring 1. It demonstrated the organization that uh, it demonstrated the organization for our Trello board and the progress for tasks as they move from the to-do list and the progress and final and done so on. So, by utilizing the Trello for sprint planning, task management, and collaboration, we were able to streamline our workflow, allocated resources efficiently, and track progress efficiently throughout the sprint one. Like in this, the transparency and flexibility offered by Trello allowed us to adapt the changing the priorities and requirements, ensuring the successful execution for our project. Like in this, we designed the roles such as the team leader, UI designer, and front-end developer, and so on. After prioritizing the user stories and features, we identified and work them to do so. So, by utilizing the Trello board, we had done that. So, thanks from my side, and I would like to Magenta to explain further.
Thanks, Salman. So, moving ahead. So, I'll be covering the issues which we have faced during our first sprint. So, while we encountered some initial challenges with coordinating schedules, we quickly adapted by scheduling regular skim bug. And additionally, we faced minor setbacks with some tools, but as we know, we overcome them through teamwork and support. So, my advice to other team is to prioritize clear communication, that is very important, and seek assistance when needed. So, thank you everyone. That's it for our retro. And here's a quote by Helen Keller: alone we can do so little, and together we can do so much. So, thank you. See you all next time.
Thank you, guys.